In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Printify with Squarespace to set up products and shipping. We'll cover everything from configuring your Printify settings to syncing the two platforms and testing the checkout process. Let's dive right in. To begin, we need to ensure that your products are set up correctly on Printify. Head over to your Printify account and start by adding the products you wish to sell. You can browse their extensive catalog and choose items that suit your store's theme and customer preferences. Personalize each product by adding unique designs, selecting color options, and setting sizes. When you're satisfied with your customizations, click on the Save button to finalize your choices. Now that your products are ready, we need to configure the shipping details on Squarespace. Navigate to your Squarespace account and from the dashboard click on Commerce. Then select Shipping to begin setting up your shipping zones and rates. This section is where you define the regions you want to ship to and the costs associated with each area. Consider offering multiple shipping options such as Standard and Express to provide your customers with flexibility. By clicking Add Shipping Zone, you can specify which countries or regions you're able to serve and assign a corresponding shipping rate. Next, it's time to synchronize Printify with your Squarespace store. By doing this, you ensure that your products are mirrored accurately between both platforms, so customers have a smooth purchasing experience. First, return to Printify and initiate the integration with Squarespace. The process is straightforward. Usually, you'll find an integrations option. Click there and select Squarespace from the available platforms. Follow the prompts to connect your Squarespace account by providing the necessary permissions. Once these platforms are connected, Printify will automatically push your configured products to your Squarespace store. With everything set up, it's crucial to double check that your store is working correctly by testing the checkout process. Head over to your live Squarespace site where you should see all your amazing products available for purchase. Select an item, add it to the cart, and proceed to check out as if you were a regular customer. Pay attention to the details such as product descriptions, prices, and shipping options. Ensure everything matches your settings and expectations. This helps to catch any potential errors before your customers encounter them. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your products, configured shipping options, and integrated Printify with Squarespace. Following these steps ensures a smooth and efficient shopping experience for your customers. Remember, offering great products is just the beginning. Providing an easy and reliable shopping journey is just as important to keep your customers returning. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!